What's up guys, David Fix for Fun. Today we're back at it. We're getting the JLG all set to go. My box of parts came, so we're going to install them. So come on, let's get this done. Okay, so we're putting this stuff back together. We got our new bolts. As you can see, there's a substantial amount of wear on these. We're going to reuse the nuts. And we got our new bushings. So to install a bushing like this, I made a quick driver. It's got a little, it's oversized, so it should go down, hit that, and then we're sure that it's flush where it should be. So all we're going to do, kind of get it started. Did you guys hear the different tone? That means we bottomed it out right where it should be. Now we just got to slide this up. Oh, it's even going to line up perfect. Put our brass washer in there. And hopefully drop our bolt in. Okay, now we got to tighten it up.
Can I try?
Squeeze that trigger. Look out.
Can I do it in this one? You do the next one.
Here you do it. It wasn't necessary. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this drain. And then we're going to pull all of this out. See, this whole thing's going to come out? Then once that's out, we got to take the snap ring out. And then we got to take this off. This is new shit.
Well, I'm just to let you show. I'm just what is this part?
So if you guys have never taken the Planetary apart, you want to keep it all together if you can.
It's pretty heavy.
So what we're doing is we're tapping the bearing race, trying to get this to loosen everything up a little bit.
It will be too heavy. Go and turn. See, you made it.
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
Snap ring.
Yes. Why'd you do that?
What?
It came out. Well,
Okay guys, here's the hub assembly. We got it all wiped out decent. We put it in the parts washer. We're going to replace the seal. I've done these before, so this will happen. I had an extra one laying around. They're pretty cheap. I've been dealing with JLG just to get most of the parts, just for simplicity factor. I know it's going to be the right one. But if you take a seal out and you take it to someplace, they usually are able to cross-reference it. But for the $10 or $15, whatever it was, I just went through right through the dealer. Anyways, we're going to pop this out, drive the new one in, and we're going to go reassemble. If you don't have one of these, you should buy one. They're at all automotive stores. I say you should buy one. That's not working very well, is it? Let's see. There we go. Tap this in. Everyone see that? You don't want to hit the web of your hand with a hammer. Just so you know, in case there was any doubt. Don't recommend it. Wow. Can't you show the good stuff? Gotta show when I do something stupid too, I guess. Make my channel more relatable, hopefully. First thing I like to do is take a little bit of, it's Lucas, but assembly lube or some sort of oil. And put just a little bit on your seal. That way you got a nice little bit on everything. It's a good starting point. That sure isn't going to hurt anything. And that way your seal's got some lube on it to help it not catch. These are pretty heavy, so we got the same bearing. We're going to put a little bit of Lucas in it. Put just a little lube on all the surfaces that are going to get driven in.
what, Daddy?
Yeah, I see. So once you get it started on there fairly straight, I like aluminum. I got a big block of aluminum. I put it on there. I'm just going to tap it a little bit and drive it on. So one thing I like to do is once you get it, the bearing pushed back in there and seated, you put your washer on. And I like to take my snap ring and drop it in the groove and go around just to make sure that it's going to go in there and it's not going to fight you the whole way. So just make sure that everything's back where it should be before you start assembling. So now we're just going to pop that snap ring on, put all the Planetary gears back in, and fill up with oil. So alright guys, well that was a fun little project. That's all done, completed. Now all we have to do is change the fluid in the other 3 drives, but that's for another video. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.